Again, Dimas in the Stata tutorial video. Right now we are going to show how to use the do files. As you know, like the do files is actually pretty important, that usually we can type everything that we want here. You know, like this is what we call it as a command. And we can also use do file editor, which is actually much simple. And if you're using Mac, how to do that? First is going to do file editor. You will click and you will get page like this. And do file editor basically useful if you want to use a lot of function that it's based on the command line, that based on the text, and you can run here for one lines or do for the whole lines. That's why here, like without any picture of the lines, and it is with the whole lines. So how to do that? For example, here we want to use like some do file from what is already available. Let me see, like I want to use the data from some example here. So for example, I want to use some of these save here that I already have, and then let me copy the whole things here, or let's just run it here. Just want to use this line. I will just click run, and as you could see, I click run and the data is already here. So if I'm going back here, we will find like data of census here, and then going to data editor. As you could see here, you get the data of the census that you just take from Stata. And then if you want to browse, you can also see. Pretty simple, right? So let's come back again to do file editor here. So for example, I want to rename. Instead of typing rename here, which is actually I could do, for example, I just copy this and type it here. I will rename pop urban into pop urb, and then I'm going to data editor. As you see, like pop urban change into pop urb. The same thing here. If I want to type and change another, like rename again pop urb, for example, and return it again into pop urban 2. Rename pop urb into pop urban 2, and then we click the data editor, it will change again into pop urban 2. So this is how to do it. And with this data editor, with the do files, if you want to run the whole things, you also can do, and this is very easy. In next tutorial, when we use what we have in my blog about the tutorial of Stata, there will be a lot of information that I will take from a website that you can just run it to the do files. For example, about fixed effect estimator. Here you could see like there are a couple of words that you don't have to type it one by one, but you can just use it. Okay, guys, I think that's all. It's pretty simple. So yeah, have fun with Stata.